Video number 4. Top 10 Email Marketing Automation Tools. Email marketing assists you in your business growth, if done the correct way. Here we will discuss some email marketing automation tools. You can opt for the right automation tool that will fulfill your email marketing campaign requirements. 1. MailChimp. MailChimp is the best email marketing autoresponder tool for beginners and experienced marketers to manage your leads. MailChimp offers a lot of ample plans, such as free and priced plans according to your budget. If you are a newbie and want to test the autoresponder before moving into a paid plan, MailChimp provides an immense communication between you and the audience. You can send 12,000 emails to 2,000 subscribers without any cost, and paid services begin with $10 a month, which means you can send 6 emails to a particular lead. MailChimp enables you to design newsletters with a customized view, set up a subscriber list, segment list, RSS to email, and track advanced analytics such as revenue, open rate, and bounce rate with determined modernization in order to improve sales and succeed in the long run. 2. Aweber. Aweber is an autoresponder tool that allows you to design and send impressive emails. This automation tool is very trustworthy and popular. If you're looking for the best email delivery and stability in your business, Aweber is for you. This email marketing tool facilitates your business with autoresponder follow-up, newsletters, subscriber segmentation, drag and drop editor, sign-up form with styles, app integration, HTML email template, and much more. Aweber saves you time with smooth integration. It also assists you with expert-level customer service and easy analytics to optimize your email marketing campaign and boost your sales and conversions. This tool offers a 30-day free trial, and after that it charges $19 per month. You can take a trial before going for a paid plan. 3. Constant Contact. Constant Contact offers legitimate email marketing services with some extra benefits that assist you in the growth of your business. This automation tool is huge for offline businesses as well as online marketers. This tool has an immense contact management and analytics system. Constant Contact offers personalized and responsive email templates, list building tools, social media tools, and image and file storage with award-winning customer service. Unsubscribers can also tell you their opinion with a feedback form. You can track real-time results for your email marketing campaign, such as clicks and email opening rate, etc. The pricing starts at $20 per month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want to try it before beginning with it, you can opt for a 60-day free trial. 4. iContact. iContact mainly allows 4 types of solutions, which are iContact, iContact Pro, iContact Premier, and iContact Salesforce. iContact is for small businesses and beyond with the features of message creation, list management, reports and analytics, social media integration, and spam check to ensure deliverability into inboxes. iContact Pro is for smarter email marketers and businesses who want to get great results in a short span of time. It offers landing pages, social posting and monitoring, segmentation with Salesforce synchronization to liberate your ideas, and it nourishes your relationship with customers. iContact Premier is for those businesses who have more than 35,000 subscribers. It provides reliable sending infrastructure, world-class inbox delivery rates, advisory and design services to be focused upon, stay on top, grow list, and stay wish-listed. iContact Salesforce adds profits to your businesses with native and social media integration, pre-configured reports and tracking, targeted email, contact and lead statistics, and much more. 5. GetResponse. GetResponse is the world's easiest email marketing automation tool with effective built-in tools to get favorable outcome. It is for both beginners and advanced marketers and businesses. This automation tool enables easy and agile email marketing with 100+ responsive landing pages and email designs, A/B testing to test your subject line, open rate, conversion rate, Autoresponder 2.0 to set follow-up and promotional emails, and List Booster that assists you to import leads into your campaign in one click, Inbox Preview, and Form Builder with more than 500 templates. GetResponse also provides 24/7 live customer support and a 3-day free trial, so you can take a look at it before purchasing it. After a free trial, its charges start at $15 per month. 6. MadMimi. MadMimi is the simplest method to design, send, share, and analyze your email newsletter. This tool offers A+ deliverability to reach inboxes with engagement tracking. This automation tool allows easy integration, such as social integration to share your message on social networks, CRM integration to segment your list and be in touch with it, analytics integration to track revenue, traffic, and other insights, video integration to include video, and much more. You can create, send, and communicate with MadMimi, manage your list to nurture subscribers, and it provides real-time reporting and tracking with add-ons such as promotional tweaks, affiliate program, social links, web forms, and more. The basic individual plan starts at $10 per month. 7. Infusionsoft. Infusionsoft's marketing automation tool is an all-in-one solution for businesses and marketers. Email marketing is just a tool. This tool can be a game changer for your email marketing campaign. This tool enables you to make your own email list with content that converts. It makes your day easy by managing your contacts and scheduling your tasks. You can boost your sales and turn your prospective customers into paying customers with customized and automated follow-up. This tool automatically accumulates and determines every email data that you send. You will be able to create effective landing pages and website templates without a developer. It also helps you to convert your following into leads on social media and then turn them into paying customers. Infusionsoft has 4 automation plans. Essential $199 per month, Deluxe $299 per month, Complete $379 a month, and Team $599 per month. 8. Benchmark Email. Benchmark Email is one of the best email marketing automation tools. There are 400 plus email templates that are ready to use. Great email deliverability to stay in touch with your customers directly into their inbox. It allows you to initiate great designs. With this automation tool, you can save time and money. You can send an email newsletter, manage contact list, engage prospective customers with social sharing, a sign-up form to generate lists, inbox checker, and A/B testing to test email copy, subject line, and greeting, etc. with real-time results. It has 3 types of plans: send-based, list-based, and volume-based, which start at $9.95 per month, $11.95 per month, and $399 per month, respectively. 9. Graphic Mail. Graphic Mail is an automation tool which assists you in connecting and communicating with your customers. Its email marketing services allow us to design email, share on social networks to get more engagement, deliver on time with analytics of who opened, clicked, and subscribed to your email. You can personalize your email content, set autoresponders, and test your messages. It enables businesses to build their own opt-in list, send mail to multiple email lists, and assists in the growth of lead generation via social networks. This tool provides marketing automation solutions for small businesses, corporate, resellers, and developers. Its marketing resources are videos, press releases, podcasts, white papers, and case studies. Graphic Mail has pliable plans according to your needs, such as bulk email, email hygiene, and custom email templates, which start at $9 per month. Number 10, Campaign Monitor. A splendid marketing automation tool that enables businesses and marketers to design, send, and analyze the repercussion of your email marketing campaign. You can create impressive emails in a few minutes with supportive content. Campaign Monitor allows you to create personalized, mobile-friendly, reusable email templates. This tool assists brands with top-notch deliverability, email automation, domain keys, and sender ID, ISP feedback loop integration, and RSS to email. It permits you to track overall performance, conversion, ROI, open rate, spam compliant, bounces, and unsubscribe of your email marketing campaign. You can grow your audience by customizing everything: suppression list, subscription confirmation, and segmentation. Be social with Facebook subscription, social sharing, and social reporting. You can opt for a basic plan or the unlimited plan, which costs you $9 a month and $29 per month, respectively.